Salmoriglio is a simple but delicious Sicilian sauce that's great on just about any protein. It also works well on grilled vegetables or even as a salad dressing. By the way, this sauce is essentially the same as the Greek sauce called l'odolimono. Tonight I'm using it to dress grilled lamb chops. So let's start cooking. Now to make our Salmoriglio sauce, we have a half cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. We also have a half cup of olive oil here. And we have about, I'd say 1 to 2 tablespoons of garlic. I like a lot of garlic. If you don't, use less. Probably have closer to 2 tablespoons. If you don't like garlic, use less. And then we're going to put in about a tablespoon of dried oregano. Dried oregano, not fresh oregano. Dried oregano is the only herb that is better dried than fresh. All right, now what we're going to do is emulsify the oil into this mixture. And emulsifying basically means to cause the other ingredients to become suspended in the oil. And to do that, what we're going to do is drizzle it in slowly while we whisk. Okay, now what we're going to do is add a little salt, lightly, okay? You can always add more salt, can't take it away. And then we're going to add a little bit of freshly ground black pepper as well. Whisk that in a little bit. Taste it. Simple but delicious. Now you can use this sauce, I'm going to use it on lamb chops tonight, but you could use this sauce on salmon, chicken, pork, shrimp, vegetables. Okay, it's a simple, classic Sicilian sauce. You can see photos of a dish using this sauce at my Instagram, which is @Chef's Apprentice, Cook Like a Pro. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.